making hands-on equation problems. The first thing that you should know first, though, is that this green cube represents negative numbers, and this red cube represents positive numbers. This blue pawn represents x, and this white pawn represents negative x, or the opposite. Our first problem for today is 3x plus 10 equals 5x plus 2. For hands-on equations is that you can take off the same thing on both sides. So I can take away 2 blue pawns and do that. And then we have 10 on the side, and then we have 2x and then 2. So we need to take away a 2 from this side. So then you subtract it, and this is an 8. And then you have 2x equals 8, which means you divide it, which would be 1x equals 4. The problem for today is negative 10 plus x equals negative 3x plus. For hands-on equations is that we can add two things on both sides to make pairs of zeros. So if we had 2 blue pawns, we can make a pair of 0 here. And we add these, and we're making a pair of 0. We add this, and we make a pair of 0. Now we can add 2 red 10s on both sides and make a pair of 0 here to take those off. So now we have 4x equals 12, and then we can divide those. That would mean x equals 3. Today is 5 plus x plus negative 3x equals 3x plus negative 2x plus. We're going to start by making pairs of zeros, and we're going to try to get these all to be pawns on that side. So we can add these 2 white ones on, and we can make a pair of 0 here. And now we can make a couple pairs of zeros here. So I'll go ahead and make those pairs of zeros because of x plus the opposite of x make a pair of 0. So now I need to get this 5 off. So I'm going to add 2 green 5s on the board to make this a pair of 0. So now I would have 3 opposite of x equals 6. So when I divide those, it would be 1x equals 2. And the opposite, so then if I did the opposite of x, it would be 1x equals positive 2. Okay, hi, I am Blaykley.